Yan, start tayo. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Whatever that time comes this video to everyone. At nandito lang po ako para i-answer po itong mga questions nila. Isa po. First of all, I'm Zaldi Credo. And I'm working here in Saudi Arabia as a waiter juice maker. And one of my what's this, neighbor or kapamilya asking me to answer those questions. First, what is the meaning of hospitality to you? And how do you see cultural diversity impact hospitality tourism? And do you feel culture diversity in the workplace beneficial? Why and why not? Why or why not? How do you feel the growth of culture and diversity will impact hospitality tourism? Lolo ako na ng English ay ng Tagalog. First, what is the meaning of hospitality to you? For me, hospitality is the way as a waiter or a person is the way you approach people. Good morning. Just like that. That's hospitality. How to approach people, feeling them welcome, feel them, what's this? Feel at home. Yung parang bang i-approach natin sila to make them comfortable. For example, dito sa amin, for the guests, malayo pa lang nagsay hi, good morning, good afternoon na kami, at doon sila to make them feel comfortable. For example, kung bad mood man sila, we approach them a good approach, so we will tawag doon, boost them in a good situation or good mood. Yun, for me. Second, how do you see cultural diversity impacting hospitality tourism? Cultural diversity, yung pagkakaiba-iba ng kultura, yung how it impact the tourism. For me, because different different countries, different kind of people have different culture. For us Filipinos, we've been known as a very hospitable person in every different kind of people. So diversity, yung pagkakaiba-iba, there's a big impact because some people, some nationalities, different ways of how to approach or how to those hospitalities for them are different. For people, we can say, for example, Filipinos, even they say it's very poor. When people come to your house, they said, or they they introduce you to something. They ask you something. Do you need drinks? Do you need food? You like anything like that? That's simple hospitality for me, and it's big impact on the tourism. That's why some foreign countries uh, come and go back what is to the Philippines, because one of the thing they say is how people give hospitalities for them. You make them comfortable, safe, and peace. And the third one, do you feel culture diversity in the workplace beneficial? Yes, very big beneficial for us waiter in this field of work, because the way the culture diversity, yeah, because maybe we have different kind of nationalities here, so they have different, what's this, tawag doon, yung may iba-iba silang mga kultura, so we need to approach them very carefully. We need to give them exact hospitality. Yun lang, may papaliwanag ko dito. How do you feel the growth of culture and diversity will impact hospitality tourism? For the growth of those culture and diversity, I think it take impact to the tourism very serious. Yeah, very serious, because if the growth will go down, so tourism will not improve also. That's why we need the very important of the growth of the culture and diversity, and especially the hospitality of the people approaching those guests. For example, for the tourist people. That's it. I hope I correctly answered those questions. Thank you, and hopefully I help the person asking for this thing. Thank you.